Hey there, folks. If you've got a shiny new Discover gift card and you're eager to start using it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of activating it step by step. Activating your card is crucial because it links the card to your account and ensures it's ready for secure transactions. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First things first, grab your gift card and take a close look. You'll need the card number, which is usually on the front, and the security code or CVV on the back. Make sure you have these details handy to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Head over to the Discover website. Open your browser and go to discover.com. Once you're there, look for the Gift Cards or Account Services section. It's usually pretty straightforward. Discover makes it easy to navigate. Step 2. If you already have a Discover account, log in with your username and password. Don't have one? No worries. You can create a new account quickly by providing some basic information like your name, email, and a secure password. This step helps personalize your experience and keeps everything safe. Step 3. Once you're logged in, find the option to activate your gift card. It might say, Activate Card, or Manage Gift Cards. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Type in the card number and security code carefully to avoid any errors. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your information. Discover might ask for additional details, like the card's expiration date, just to confirm it's yours. After you submit, you'll get a confirmation message, Yay, your card is now activated. Finally, to make sure everything's working, try using your card for a small purchase or check your balance online. If you run into any issues, Discover's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it. That's how you activate your Discover gift card in just a few easy steps. It's quick, secure, and gets you back to enjoying your card. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.